I'm supposed to drive to Caballo Lake State Park today, which is about 2 miles away, and I am not looking forward to driving in the wind. So.
Soft light falls on quiet sand. You almost leaned in. Shadows move, skin to skin.
I'm leaving Valley of Fires near Carrizozo, New Mexico. Checkout is 11 a.m. and heading south to Caballo Lake State Park. But there's a catch. Wind gusts today, up to 35 miles per hour in Carrizozo, and a little less near Truth or Consequences, which is about 20 miles north of Caballo Lake. And not just for an hour, all day. And here's what I'm driving, a 23-foot Pleasureway Class B, about 10 feet tall, and I'm towing a 5x8 cargo trailer behind me. So yeah, not huge, but definitely enough surface area for the wind to start having opinions. The plan is to stop in Socorro, hit Walmart, do laundry, and roll into Caballo Lake right at check-in, which is 4 p.m., which honestly feels kind of late. So now I've got a choice to make. Do I push through the wind and just deal with it? Or do I play it safe, hang out in Socorro, maybe even stay overnight at Walmart, and roll in tomorrow? Here's the thing about 30-plus mile-per-hour gusts, especially with this setup. That tall van acts like a sail. That trailer acts like a pivot point. These gusts, they're not steady. They hit you sideways out of nowhere. That means constant steering corrections, getting pushed across your lane, and every passing truck makes it worse. Let's talk about the timing. Out by 11 a.m. Not allowed in until 4 p.m. That's a 5-hour window, right in the peak wind. And yeah, I don't know what's going on with the New Mexico State Parks and those late check-ins lately. Probably staffing, but it makes days like this awkward. So here are my options. Option 1. If I go for it, I deal with the crosswinds the whole way. Burn more fuel. Arrive kind of worn out and maybe still have to wait. Or I slow it down. Do laundry in Socorro. Rest for the day. Maybe stay overnight at Walmart. And drive fresh tomorrow when winds are usually calmer. And there's no call for high winds in the forecast tomorrow. With a setup like mine, van plus trailer, this isn't just about can I make it. It's about whether I want to spend the day actually enjoying the drive or just fighting it the whole way. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start the drive, head towards Socorro, and see how bad it really is. If I'm white-knuckling it in the first 30 minutes, that's my sign I'm stopping. So, do I make it to Caballo Lake tonight? Or does this turn into a Walmart overnight? Either way, this is real road life. See that crazy wind out there? We avoided having to drive in it. As I left my site, I drove around to the other side of the campground just to see if there was an open, free, first come, first served spot. And there was one open for one night. $7.50 with my senior lifetime National Parks pass. And I don't have to white knuckle it all the way to Caballo Lake. But I do need to change my reservation, which is going to cost me $3, but I'd rather spend $10.50 to be safe than to risk it. So we're going to enjoy our last windy day here at Valley of Fires.
Like a tumbleweed, like a tumbleweed, she goes where the wind blows her. In her